like Lori's truck.
Mine looks little on that thing.
Lori's is about 10 grand more expensive.
Well, that's what I said. We're going to have to get these step side pipes for that too. No way. Yeah, I saw that. To get everything out, you know what I mean? You got to get tail light out of it.
Within 30 days.
You got to get tail light out of it.
You're gonna have to help me out because she can still get out.
Oh, no, they won't guarantee that.
Oh, just tractor? Yeah.
Freaking doors are heavy.
Not the Ford you used to build, huh, Pip?
Wow, I get road worse than this. Hey, one problem, it's under warranty.
Yeah, why?
Front brake rotors.
They just put them
Just
on.
put them on.
They're brand new.
Yeah, well, somebody's screwing you.
They're brand new. Check them.
I just put them on this morning.
That's why we had to wait today.
Brand new.
You can look through the rims, you can see them. Or
Yeah,
both sides.
Or not.
I just went and touch them.
Huh?
I just went and touch them.
I ain't touching them. Well, they're chattering when you stop at slow speed.
Yeah, they look new.
Yeah.
Hey, could that be the brakes, Phil? The back brakes?
No, coming out of the front.
I think it's your transmission mount, to tell you the truth.
Well, I think it's a stabilizer bushing.
It's all under warranty, right?
Yep.
All right.
Fine.
Drivetrain, motor, transmission, and drivetrain.
How many miles?
But
100 and
All right, come on, get this old man up.
Who's gonna get me up?
Oh, man.
careful.
Happy
Another thing
birthday.
is, the exhaust ain't loud enough.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. You mean I don't get nothing for my birthday now?
Nope.
Yeah, kicking the balls.
Shit. Huh?
You're kicking the balls to remind you.
All right, we gotta get some for sale signs. How much you want for yours?
It ain't going nowhere. That's going back to me.
The red one?
Yep.
I thought you said you wanted to sell it.
That's going back to me. The white one's going back to Maxine.
No, she wants to sell it.
Well, Dennis said Leslie's father was looking for a car.
No, it's too small for him, because he's got the handicapped girl.
Well, he didn't say for her. He said just to drive back and forth.
No,
He was going to buy Danielle's car.
Oh, that has a back
Who?
seat.
He was. At none of your party. He wanted
Hello?
to buy Danielle's car for $2,000. I told him no, it wasn't for sale.
Tell him to probe.
Can't get the handicapped girl in and out of it.
Okay. He needs bigger doors than.
Yeah. He needs a station wagon. He needs a.
Look at that. It is nice and clean. Look at that.
Huh?
Look how clean the engine is.
I didn't open the door. I'm too nervous.
Why?
You kids.
Well, eventually you're going to leave one day.
He bought one ticket right after we went in there.
Yeah, give it to me.
It's going in my pocket.
Get the decal, Rick.
Goes in my pocket.
What decal?
Bye-bye.
On the back.
Scott Coney?
Yeah.
We all got him, remember?
No,
Yeah.
I didn't see it on your car.
It was on my Avalanche.
Get the same place you got your grandfather?
Nope. I looked there. We looked all over the place.
That's broke.
Tight screw.
That's broke. Well, you can just.
I should probably just have to take it off. There's
Just take it off.
Yeah.
So I gotta do a couple
got one
screws.
screw there.
Screwdriver.
Oh, leave it on.
No, it's
broke,
broke.
Oh, Chris, look, it's broke here too.
Oh, it makes a big
Nah.
Chris, $40, you get another one.
difference. For now, just take it off.
Yeah,
Oh,
because
yeah,
you get
dirt
going,
under
it
it when
might
you take it
pop.
off.
It might fly up and hit you and.
Yep, 4.8.
Ooh.
Yes, it's right there. 4.6.
Yeah, 6. Yep, 6.
Small 8.
My eyes are bad. I
That's
think
okay.
6.8 looks the same.
It is
It is pretty clean though.
Yeah.
I'd rather have a V8.
It is a V8.
You need tomato juice?
Yeah.
No throwing no paint cans in the back of this thing.
Be kind of hard to do work in there.
See where the plugs are?
Half of them.
No.
Underneath.
Yeah.
There's a cap here. You gotta take all of this off to get at the plug.
Or you get it from underneath.
Or you bring it to a dealership.
You can't?
Nope.
That's why you bring it to the dealer.
Yeah, exactly.
Gotta,
Hood sensor. Light. Bulbs might be out. Oh, there it goes.
Make it all ugly with that thing.
No, you're not. No, that can't be.
Probably just gonna be dirty under it.
Watch, the whole hood's gonna fall off when you take that out.
You don't leave broken parts on. You gotta make it look nice.
It's broken 3 places.
One more. That one's already out, I think.
Because it's cracked.
You're gonna have
Broke.
the, you're gonna have the sticker pads underneath there.
What?
Maybe
By
not.
the-
See?
Bumper
Maybe
pads.
not.
Yeah, that's what I saw there. There's that buff wax.
Yeah.
$40, you get another one.
Yeah, that's all. If he wants it.
And the screw holes are already there, so.
Well, we got the front, that's why he's got it on there.
$40, you go down and we'll get another one right down there.
Oh, you want $100? Go. Let's go. I'm looking anywhere.
What?
Hey, I gotta go to Aunt Bernice's house. Why? Help her unload some rocks out of her freaking truck.
No.
I'm gonna go with Uncle Rick.
He's gonna help me move.
Rocks to go
Yep.
to AutoZone?
Yeah, it's quicker.
Yeah, pretty much.
Wow.
I got like 3 bags.
Come on, Dad, ride us up to Bernice's.
Yeah, there we go.
All right, get in.
No,
Nice.
you're going to Bernice's. I'm going to AutoZone.
I know, I'm gonna ride him up to Bernice's.
That's not citizen.
I'm gonna go help your sister.
What year is this?
98.
Move some bricks.
Don't worry about it. You don't need that thing.